Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-step solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Blink Dagger to a Swift Blink in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to purchase a Blink Dagger from the shop. As you can see, I already have Blink Dagger in my inventory. Now search for Swift Blink by typing it here. As you can see, it's going to cost you 6,800 gold, and it requires a Blink Dagger, Eagle Song, and Swift Blink recipe. Eagle Song can only be purchased in secret shops that are located on either side of the map. One is right here for Radiant, and this one is for Dire. I've already sent my courier to the Radiant secret shop so I can buy Eagle Song, like so. I'm going to let my courier deliver it to me, and I'm going to buy the recipe myself in the fountain. Once I get the recipe, my Blink Dagger will turn into a Swift Blink, like so. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!